This is our review for finding factors. Remember, factors are the numbers that go into the problem to make up our goal number. So when we ask for the factors of 15, and this says list in order from least to greatest, so we're going to make this. But when I look at my factors for 15, I want to come up with a different way I can multiply two numbers to get to 15. We always start with 1 and that number, and that would give me the smallest and biggest number. And then here I see I need one more fact, and that's 3 times 5. 3, it's nice that they give me the lines. I know that 3 is prime, so it's only 1 and 3. For 18, I'm going to start with 1 and 18. I always start with that. And then 18 is even, so I know that 2 will be a factor. And 2's partner is 9. 2 times 9 is 18. And then I need one more fact, and so I'm going to just do my numbers. I did 1, I did 2, next would be 3, and 3 actually works, and it pairs with 6. For 25, we're going to start with 1 and 25, and then because there's only one line left, that gives me a hint that it's the same number twice. And in this case, it's 5 times 5, but I only write the number once. 27, I start with 1 and 27. It's odd, so 2 won't work. So let's try 3, and 3 does work, and it partners with 9. And for 12, I have 1 and 12, and it is even, so I know that 2 works with 6. And then I try the next one, 3, and 3 works with 4. Okay. Doesn't give me those lines, so I need to make sure I'm careful to check to make sure I get all of them. So I'm going to start with 1 and 21. It's odd, so 2 won't work. So then I try 3, and 3 works. It's 3 and 7. And then I'm going to try 4. It doesn't work. 5. It doesn't work. 6 doesn't have a pair either. And 7 we already have written. So since I've already found one I have written down, I know that I'm done with it. 49, I have 1 and 49. It's odd, so 2 won't work. I'm thinking about 3, it won't work. 4 doesn't work. 5 doesn't work. 6 doesn't work. So the only other factor is 7 times 7, and I only need to write the number once. And since I found a double, it means I'm done with that one. For 33, I have 1 and 33. 2 does not work. So I have 3 and 11. And then if I go through checking every number now between 3 and 11, I'll see that there is not another one. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 don't work. So it's just those 4. 17, it's just 1 and 17. It is prime, nothing else will work. For 31, I have 1 and 31. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9, 10. None of them work, so I'm going to say that 31 is prime, and that's it. For 16, I have 1 and 16. And it's even, so I have 2, and 2's partner is 8. 3 does not work, but 4 times 4 does, and because it's the same number, then I can be done checking. For 20, I have 1 and 20, and it's even, so I have 2 and 10. 3 does not work, but 4 works with 5, and then the next number I would check is 5, and it's already written, so I'm done checking. And 4, I have 1 and 4, and 2 times 2, and again we only need to write the number once. So remember, our factors are the numbers in the problem that will equal the we have to just go through a step at a time, a number at a time to check to see if it would go into that number. That's how we make sure we get them all. So this is our fractions review to get ready for our test.